Hello, my name is Joseph Tarty Sankon, and I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel. At this channel, we help you to solve some problems that you face with. Today's edition of our podcast, we're going to be teaching you how to add your courses or how to do your registration on the e-portal of the University of Liberia. We understand that not only the University of Liberia that is using that platform, there are a lot of universities in Liberia that are using the e-portal platform. Just be a little patient. In the next few minutes, I'm going to teach you a step-by-step procedures how to use the e-portal platform. You can pause this video anytime you wish, and there is one thing that I really beg you to do for me, okay, to help me grow my audience and try to get little thing from what I'm doing for the public, okay, by just liking or following this channel, and also help to share this with your group so that others who are still struggling to learn about the online registration platform can gain a little insight. Okay, not to waste your time, let's dive right into the process. Is step-by-step process how to do your registration on the University of Liberia platform. First thing you ever need to do on your mobile phone, that is your smartphone or your computer, is to first get connected to the internet, either a Wi-Fi or mobile data. Okay, so as you can see my computer right here, I'm connected to the internet using my Wi-Fi. Okay, so after you have connected your smartphone or your computer to the Wi-Fi or internet connection, you go and open your browser. So I have two browsers here. I have the Chrome browser and then I have the Firefox, so you can use any of them, and there are other browsers as well. So let me use the Firefox. Okay, and then you go straight to your search engine and type in University University of Liberia. University of, okay, so sometimes it will just pop up, so it's the University of Liberia e-portal. All right, you open it, and then there will be many of them coming up. So what do? You look for the school management portal University of Liberia. Another one is right here, so we just click on the first one right here. Boom, it's open. Okay, so let's enlarge it so we can see. Now here the first place is to import your student ID. So mine is 86494. Okay, and you enter your password. Your password is given to you by the university. Sometimes once it is just open as a for freshman students, once it is just been you just enroll at the university, they give you a default password. You can change it by your very self. Okay, so I have changed mine from the default password to my own customer password. Okay, so let me input my password. All right, that's my password, and I enter. If this computer is only used by me, I can say yes, save. If by others, can you also use it? I say no, because if you leave it open, someone can dive into your platform and do whatsoever nonsense they want to do. All right, so this is how the platform going to be like. So the first thing you want to do, if you want to do your registration, you want to add courses. So you come right here, you come to add courses or register courses. All right, so right now the University of Liberia is demanding that every student of the university, all right, do their 100% fees payment before you can be allowed to do your session planning. So for now I have not done my payment, so I can only add courses, but I cannot plan session until my fees, which is the 2,250 Liberian dollars, is being paid or deposited at the designated bank, okay, in Liberia. So like you said, all undergraduate students are to make 100% fees payment of total item bill or total bill to be paid before I allowed to plan session for courses selected. So you can select your courses, but you will not be able to plan until you can do your payment. So I have not yet do my payment. But let's go. So you come here to add your courses. All right, you click the add button to load. All right. So I'm a student of the William V. Estherman College of Education. So you will see right here, and my department is secondary education, and curriculum is secondary curriculum. These things are always set. All right. Once you are a student of that college, they are already set. Okay, so all what I need to do is to come to our course level. What course do I want to do? Is it a freshman course? Is it a sophomore course? Is it a junior course? Is it a senior course? You click right here. So if I'm looking for the senior course, for example, I come right here, senior. If I'm looking for the freshman course, I click this one. All right, so let's assume I'm a senior student right now and I want to do a senior course. All right, so boom, I click the senior. So these are the courses being offered this semester by my college or my department. All right, so I am a science education student, so I stay left with about some biology courses. So I look for the one that I want to do. For instance, molding faces, any of them, advanced composition. Okay, I have one administrative course I have not done, which is for school administration. So once I'm satisfied doing this course, I come right here, say what course. You see, the record the successfully, or the record successfully saved. Okay. Now, if I still want to I can still search in R. If I'm done with the senior level and I still have maybe a junior level course to do, I come back here and come to junior, and this junior course is going to open. All right. If I have a sophomore course and I want to do the sophomore course, I come right to sophomore, and these are the sophomore courses. So one of my sophomore courses, I have a chemistry course to do, which is organic chemistry 202. So I add it right here. Boom. Recorded. Okay. Now, so if these are the two courses I want to do this semester, I can now come back to my dashboard right here. All right. So once you come to your dashboard, you won't see anything here. Why? Because you have not paid your fees. So until you can pay your fees before you can see your courses line up here at your dashboard. And you cannot right now, you cannot see the session plan until you pay your money. So if I come back right here to see which ones that I've added, I will see them right here. So I've added two courses, education and administration, which is education 406, and I have added organic chemistry, which is education chemistry 202. So the status here is created, and here I can also remove if I want to change. For example, I just made up my mind, oh, I forgot I have already done organic chemistry. I can remove it from right here. If I'm okay with these courses, I can then submit right here, right? And if you submit them, you pay your money, this place would be highlighted. So you can click it. Once your money is being paid, this place, once you click it, it take you to these courses, and you'll be able to search the time and day, that is the actual schedule of these courses that suit your availability on campus. All right. So you can also come here if you have paid your fees to see your receipt, or to see the amount you needed to pay and something. So now, is it plain courses cost $5,400 Liberian dollars? No, this is not applicable to you. All right, because right now we are we are attending a free university, right? That was a privilege given to us by our former president, His Excellency former President George Manewia. Okay, so right now we are not paying this amount. The only amount to be paid is your registration fees, which is about $2,250 Liberian dollars. Okay, and you have to pay that at a designated bank. All right, so this is how the platform look like. So once you pay your money, this place will be highlighted, and you can do the rest of the thing. In our next video, we are going to pay my fees, and then you're going to see how the platform going to change. So once I pay my fees in the next video, this place will be highlighted, and I will be able to plan my courses. So be on the alert, just click on the notification button, and then once the new video come up, you will see the new video and know how to plan your courses after you have paid your fees. Thank you very much. If you still have some questions, you can just post them right in the comment section and we will take our time to respond to them. Or better still, you can send on an email, and the email is right in the comment section as well, and then we can also respond to you. Thank you very much, and I hope this short video was very, very helpful to you in going about planning your courses. Now, one last thing, do not feel demotivated because a lot of people are saying some negative things about the University of Liberia. That's not true. Okay, the University of Liberia is one best universities across Liberia and even in West Africa. Okay, so we encourage you to come and write the entrance. Right now the registration is ongoing. You can take advantage of that. Don't feel afraid. We are now going digital.